Hey y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all how to construct the 3 crayon boxes. I've already printed out my template. Sorry y'all. I will have a link down in the description for the crayon boxes, and I'm going to show you how to do one with school glue. It's backwards, I know. And one with double-sided tape. Alright, and the first thing I use this to do the glue, but you don't have to have it, but I use it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold down on our lines. We're going to fold down on our lines. Okay, I'll fold it down on all of the lines. I'll fold it down. Let's see. Tilt this where y'all can see better. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the flaps. How I fold mine is being that I have my Instagram name right there. I fold it down this way over this one. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the double-sided tape first. Take some. I use about this long. Y'all excuse my daughter. And I take the scissors. Leave the tape alone, Bria. I cut it in half. Put it down. And then I go ahead and I put it on this flap right here, the one that has no inward flaps. This one. I go ahead and put it on there. And if I have any extra at the bottom, I just go ahead and trim that off. And then what I do is I take a little bit more on this flap right here. Oh, sorry y'all. And I put it on there. And then I go ahead and I fold this, and I just place it on top of there, and I fold it like that to make sure, like flatten it to make sure that it's on there good. And then I fold these flaps in, and then I fold the bottom in where I've put the tape at. Fold it in. I'm sorry, y'all. And I go ahead and I fold that end flap in This one isn't doing right, y'all. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Okay, there we go. It's a little wumpy, but it'll be okay. I'm just trying to show you guys how to. And then I might take like my scissors. Okay. And kind of like press this, the bottom to the end part and the inside so to stick. And then right here on this flap, right here, so you have a line, and that's going to be the one that folds on the inside. And then I just fold that like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the crayons in there, show you guys that the crayons fit. Just going to choose some random crayons. Then you fold it like that, and there you go. Voila, crayon box. And what you can do is, like, if this starts to come up, what I do sometimes is I take some regular office tape, and I just get a little bit, not much, and I actually cut this with my regular scissors because, like I said, I don't want much. And then I just kind of put it there and just seal it like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to do the one with glue. I'm gonna go ahead and fold my lines. Go ahead and fold on all of my lines. I'm gonna go ahead and fold my flaps also.
Okay. Here.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little glue, and instead of putting it on this one on the inside, I'm actually going to put it on this one. I'm actually going to put it on this one, on that flap, so then it's going to fold. It's going to be on this inside, so this one will fold over it. Go sit down. Not much, just a little bit.
I can't eat.
And just kind of spread it out. Not much, like I said. Not very much, just a little. Then going to carefully fold it over that, and then just do the same concept here with folding it like that. Okay, now for the end, just if you have some glue left on your paintbrush, just put just a dab on there. And then you're gonna fold that in very carefully. And you're gonna press it down. I'm gonna do it with my scissors again. Gonna push it in there. Kinda hold it too. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the one with the glue. Uh-oh, there we go. And you just put your crayons, fit right in there. I'm so bad at this webcam thing. I'm used to recording on my phone. So that's those. I use those for my coloring books, and I use cardstock to print them on. I will try to upload a video of how I decorate them, but I will post the link for the template. And thank you guys for watching.